ready to use versus concentrate. Can you explain the difference between? Are those two different products?
The products are different. So a lot of the times we'll get a question where maybe someone looked at the concentrate starts at 7%. Sorry, when you dilute it at 1 to 40, basically just divide 7 by 41. I forget. I think it's like 0.17% hydrogen peroxide you get, and then people will compare that to the 0.5% hydrogen peroxide in the RTU, and they ask, "Oh, can I just dilute it to the 0.5?" So when we talk about that, the concentrate was really made to be stable in the concentrate form. It's actually really stable in the diluted form as well. In the concentrate, it's 2 years. Once diluted, it's 30 days, which is really long. If you look at a lot of co-op products, isopropyl actually is 1 day. You have to change it out after you've diluted it.
1 day.
Yeah. Yeah, so that one was really made to be stable at the concentrate. It is still very stable at once it's diluted, as I said, for 30 days. And we have test strips where you can go in there if maybe you have a bottle that it's at that 28-day mark. You're not sure if it's going to be good. You can use this test strip. It's like a hot tub test strip to validate it is still good to use.
What's the cost of SHYIELD?
Before I answer that question, actually, I'll take a step back to the differences of the concentrate and ready to use.
Sure.
So concentrate, as I mentioned, meant for the stability long term. Diluted at 1 to 40, it's about 32 cents per diluted liter if you're buying the drum, and from the 4 liter it goes to about 40 cents per diluted liter. And then at the 1 to 128 for sanitizing, I think it's between 10 and 12 cents per diluted liter. Then you look at the RTU, the ready to use product, which is ready to go. As soon as you buy it, you can put a sprayer on it, you can use the wipes. So there's a convenience factor there as well. The wipes end up being about 10 cents per wipe, and the ready to use, I think it's about 4 to 5 times more in the concentrate. I'm not entirely sure on the dollar per liter number, but the ready to use is more of the convenient product, and we see that used. A lot of the laboratories around use it. So even if you have a laboratory in your facility where maybe the size of this kind of area here, a couple stainless steel benches, you can put a wipes in there and kind of keep it clean throughout your process. Maybe once a year, you're going to clean the whole lab. But a lot of the microprocessors and cultivators, they like the RTUs. Maybe they don't even have access to water. They can't dilute. And there's actually even larger cultivators who didn't have access to clean water, or they didn't want to use that water to dilute because it was so short supply. So the RTU is really great for that. The wipes are used by literally every customer we have. They really become a quick favorite.